Sinong pangalawa? Ang pinakamaraming reclamation.
China is the second.
Mali po, it's Malaysia. Oh no! Tama ako, Malaysia.
Sana all may sapat na pagkain sa mesa.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Who was the first to start reclaiming in the South China Sea?
At least from the Philippine.
What country, Mr. President?
Yes, our DND resource person says that it was Malaysia.
Sino pinaka maraming reclamation?
As of today, Vietnam, according to the DND, Mr. President.
Not bad yung taga-DND, sir. You got 1 out of 4 questions correct. Not bad. Inside our EEZ, sino ang pinakamaraming reclamation?
Right now, it is, as I'm made to understand, it is Vietnam.
Okay. Sinong pangalawa?
Again, according to our DND resource person, China is the second.
Mali po, it's Malaysia. Oh no! So, tama ako, Malaysia.
Sana all ligtas.
Buisit na buhay
Ligtas
ito.
sa sakit.
May I ask this question? When the military decided to pave the way to build a runway sa Pag-asa Island, was there any objection by any department in our country at that time?
Well, Mr. President, with all due respect, Mr. President, I think we have exhausted.
Mr. President,
this
do we
debate.
have closure here?
No, Mr. President, but I
Mr.
no
President,
longer would like to.
No, on one hand, Mr. President,
respond
sabi niya,
to further
miniminize ko.
questions, Mr.
Nung nagtatanong naman ako ng ibang opisyal, ayaw naman sagutin. Sino
President,
nagmi-minimize?
Mr. President, I have the floor.
The
I have the
question-
floor. I think we have ventilated the issue enough, and it is time for a vote, Mr. President. I will no longer yield to questions, Mr. President.
Mr. President,
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, before that, can I just reiterate my question? Kung hindi niya sasagutin, manifest ko lang yung sagot sa sarili kong tanong. Ang tanong ko po sa kanya, nung sinabi ng military, ganyan na nangyayari sa West Philippine Sea, lagyan na natin ng runway, ayusin na natin ang Pag-asa. Meron ba pong mga opisyalis ng kahit anong departamento sa ating bansa na registered a negative vote and advised the military not to do it? Oh, if the good senator doesn't want to answer that, I will answer it. Mga taga-DFA. Ang sabi ng mga taga-DFA, during the time, this was the time of President Aquino, it will weaken our case. Because precisely, the rocks, the features that are being reclaimed, etc., malakas ang kaso natin. Nasunod po yung military at tingin ko tama naman. But none of us told yung mga taga-DFA na pro-China kayo for having a different opinion. Diba? None of us. Why? Kasi iba trabaho ng DFA sa DND. Iba trabaho ng DND sa Coast Guard. So, Mr. President, dapat burahin na natin yung nagdi-discuss tayo ng maayos. Napikon ka sa statement ng iba, re-rest back ang senador. Buti nga, sinasagot kayo eh. Mas malaking insulto kung hindi kayo sinagot eh. Sinagot kayo, edi magsagutan kayo, pero gusto nyo, buong Senado ang re-rest back nyo. Ako, kung may kadebate akong embassy, kami lang yun. Kung kailangan ko tulong ni Brother Robin or ni Senator Marcoleta, kakalibitin ko, tulungan. Pero hindi ako magfa-file ng resolution sa Senado para tulungan nyo kami, bugbog kami sa China. Tapos, pagka hindi ka pumirma, pro-China ka.